In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, let's make sure you're all set up. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and open the Pinterest app on your device or visit the Pinterest website on your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's pretty easy to create one, but for today's purpose, I'll assume you're already signed in. Now that you're all logged in, look up to the top of your screen. You should see a search bar there. This is where the magic happens. Click on that search bar. It might be intimidating with all the beautiful images surrounding it, but no worries. You're just a few steps away from finding the person you're looking for. Once you click on the search bar, go ahead and type in the person's name or their Pinterest username if you know it. It's important to spell it correctly if you want to narrow down your search results. Once you've got their name or username typed in, press Enter. This will start your search. After you hit Enter, Pinterest will generate a list of search results, and among those results, you'll see several options, including boards, pins, and profiles. What you want to do now is filter those results for profiles specifically. Look for the option that says Profiles in the search filters, and click on that. This will refine your search and only show you Pinterest profiles that match the search term you entered. Now comes the fun part, browsing the results. Take your time here. Pinterest will provide you with a list of profiles that match your search, and you might see multiple options, depending on how popular the name is. Go through these profiles and check them out one by one. When you find the profile that looks like it could be the person you're searching for, click on their name or profile picture to open their profile. Once you're on their profile page, you'll be able to see a few key details to help you determine if this is indeed the right person. Look carefully at their profile picture, username, bio, and the boards they have created. The profile picture usually gives you a good indication if this is the person you're looking for, especially if you know them well. The username might also provide some clues. For example, if it's something unique or personal to them, you'll have a better sense of whether it's the right account. Their bio can also be very telling. Some people include their interests or mention their location, which might help you identify them even further. Take a moment to explore the boards they've created. If you recognize any of the names of the boards or the types of content they pin, that's a great sign. You want to be absolutely sure that it's the right person before you take any further steps. If you've found the right account and you'd like to keep up with their pins, you can go ahead and click the follow button. This way, any new pins they add will show up in your feed, and you'll be able to see all the inspiration they gather from the wide world of Pinterest. And that's it. You now know how to find someone on Pinterest with just a few simple steps. Finding someone can be very rewarding, especially if they share a lot of interests with you. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Pinterest and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching.